Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the features of the ANCHEER Foldable Mini Trampoline, a versatile fitness tool designed for both indoor and outdoor workouts. This trampoline is 80% pre-assembled, making setup a breeze with just the handles and stand sections to attach, taking only about 10 minutes. Engineered for a smooth and stable bounce, it boasts upgraded 1.2 mm thickened bungees and linear bungee feedback to minimize knee impact. The trampoline features a 4-level adjustable handle, ranging from 2 feet 6 inches to 3 feet 5 inches, ensuring stability and safety for users of all ages. With a robust weight capacity of up to 450 pounds, thanks to its high-strength composite bungee cords and thickened steel components, it's built to last. Its foldable design makes it incredibly portable, shrinking down to just 15 inches by 30, perfect for storage under a bed or in a car trunk. Plus, ANCHEER offers a 12-month quality warranty and responsive customer service, ensuring you can jump with confidence and peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.